The biggest disadvantage of using a manual drill and a driver as opposed to an electric or cordless drill and driver is the physical effort that is required, as they are both manual tools and using them can be very tiring. Both lack many of the added features or abilities of power drills and drivers. Hi, this is Shah and welcome to my channel Auto Live. Today I am talking about rechargeable battery drill driver and impact from the brand Ryobi. Please note that this is not the sponsored video. I bought it from my own use. Now, where to buy this? This can be found in any physical Home Depot store or online at homedepot.com for $149 or $50. Alright. This kit contains drill driver with screwdriver, impact driver, 2 batteries and a dual chemistry charger and tool bag which you can see on the screen. Now let's open the box. Alright, as discussed, we have a big bag inside this. Oh wow, looks amazing. See, it looks amazing. And let's see. Okay, this is the operator's manual. Huge. I have to spend a lot of time to read this. We have this. Alright, these are 2 batteries. One, we have as mentioned in the on the box, we have this is also 2 batteries. This is a charger. And the most important thing is, alright, amazing. This is, wow, this is drill, and this is some stuff, accessories, and we have, alright, we have impact driver. We have an impact driver. So these are the things we have at the moment. Means like we have just taken out from this box. You know there are numerous advantages of having like these. Like no high physical effort required for me to operate these stuff. These the works will not take longer due to faster turning speed. The third, I think it would be the good thing, which cannot cause any fatigue, something like that. The numerous features available on these power drill and impact driver and many other associated benefits. Let's talk about some disadvantages. Like certainly this will be noisy as compared to the manual one. It is really little heavier. Of course it needs a power supply. They have to keep on charging when it's out of battery charge. Alright, I will make a review on these and will share the experience in this channel. To get to know this, please stay tuned with me. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and of course press the thumbs up button. Take care and goodbye.